Hello and welcome to this video. In this video you will learn how to download and install Node.js and verify if Node.js is installed properly or not. So let's begin. So in the search bar just type Node.js download and click on the first link. This is the official website where you can download Node.js. So I will provide this link in the description so that you can download Node.js from there as per your computer's configuration. So I have Windows 64-bit, so I'm going to click on that. So it's going to download now. So as you can see, Node.js has been downloaded. I'm going to click on that to install Node.js. So first step is to click on next and then click on the checkbox which says I accept the terms in the license agreement, and then click on the next button and don't change anything here. If you want you can change, but let us keep it as it is, and click on the next button and again click on next button and don't do anything here. If you want to install automatically the necessary tools, then click on this. So it is going to also install Chocolatey, but as we are going to just use Node.js, so let's just don't keep it as it is and click on next and click on install. So here I have gotten pop-up which is saying, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So I'm going to click on yes. Maybe this might not be recorded in the video, but you will get a pop-up. You have to click on yes. So it is not going to take more than 20 seconds to install. So just click on finish and we are done. So as I told you, you have learned how to download and install Node.js. Now let's verify if Node.js has been installed in our system or not. So just open command prompt and write node-v and just click on enter. As you can see, it is showing version 14. So it means that Node.js version 14 has been installed in your system. So we are done with the video and we are done installing Node.js. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and comment on the video. If you want more videos, please share this video with your friends.